All right, so there's this company called Prism Plus, and wow, do they have some amazing monitors. I have here the X340 Pro. It's a widescreen monitor that's curved, and I really wanted to see what it was like and how it would look on the desk. And I have to say that Prism Plus just nailed it with this one.
Mr. Black.
By the way, welcome to the channel. My name's Danny Black. I love to share with you cool gear that comes my way, and if you're new here, don't be a stranger. And I'll put links to everything down in the description, plus a surprise link. Okay, so right out of the box, you get the monitor, you get the stand that's easy to mount, and it has a really interesting design where it has only 2 legs and it counterbalances with the monitor. You can also tilt it up or down for your desired viewing, and this will also work with VISA mounting like desk arms and wall mounts. But the stand looks really great. I also like the blue light on the back. I think it's a really nice touch. Also on the back, you can remove this cover right here, and this gives you access to all of your ports. Like you have your power port, you have an audio output, you have 2 display 1.2 ports, and 2 HDMI 2.0 ports, which it also supports picture-in-picture mode. This one right here is 34 inches. It's a full 3440 by 1440 resolution, and a 1500R curvature. The picture is very crisp and it shows a lot of detail. It also has a 100 Hertz refresh rate, which as I've been using it and editing with it, you can just notice a big difference. It's just buttery smooth. It's also equipped with active sync and low blue light. I mean, and just look at how much desktop space you get with this thing. Like I can be editing videos with it and having other applications open. So it's perfect for graphic designers and video editors, or really anyone that does a lot of multitasking. And the bezels on here are just really tiny, just giving you that much more screen space. And from the pictures of this, I was actually thinking it was gonna be a lot thicker. I thought it was gonna take up a little bit more space on the desk, but really when you put this thing on and you actually look around on it, it looks great. It looks perfect. It doesn't take up too much desk space at all. It's just like a giant monitor right here, but then you still have a lot of desk space. This monitor right here comes in under 460 Australian dollars with a 3-year warranty. So that's a really, really competitive price point, and I'm glad I got the Prism Plus. This thing's great, it's fantastic, and you probably stumbled upon them and you're like, I wonder if these are any good. I think you'd be very happy with it. Like, in fact, I'm thinking about trading in my other monitors over there and maybe getting the 49-inch ultra wide screen. That looks amazing. And if I do get it, I'll be sure to tell you all about it. But that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. You'll see more of this around the studio. I'll try to give a really good studio tour at some point, just trying to get it all together and a lot of things going on at the moment. So yeah, all good stuff though. So really, again, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned and I'll see you next time. Bye.